pretty.
Ready?
Go. Elsa's wicked sweet. You are a candy corn princess. Mm. Hi. Hi. Look at you. Are you ready to go?
I'm going from back there.
She's like, I have to be up front with them. That's a good girl. You have a fun ride. She's like, I did.
Yeah, finally. Oh my god. He's been doing like so between overtime and she brings trucks so high.
You look so cute.
What's up, baby? How are you? Okay.
Are you sitting with the baby?
Oh, you go, girl. Have fun.
She's like, everyone needs to say hi to me. How dare you walk past me?
I love candy corn. It's so cute.
Oh, she's not.
Well, the little ones, they're all dressed up still and just walk around the school.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Libby.
Look.
Libby.
Now, Liv. It's hurting your butt.
Oh, okay, sit down. Sit.
Okay. I'm watching free now. Okay. You're too pretty.
You excited? You excited? You're gonna watch the parade.
It's her first Halloween parade.
She's literally like a small child. She is. That has to sit on your lap in her little
Oh, you see
costume.
birds? Oh, look at your cute little sticks.
See the parade starting?
Look! Here they come! You want to come stand next to her so she knows who you are too? Here they come! Here they come!
And I didn't do whiskers or anything because it looks really bad on me. And then I have my fuzzy hoodie. But we're back.
Be nice.
Just want to see what you'll do. Doesn't taste good, does it? Nope, you tried to run with it. Cody. Uh-oh. Jeez. Go see him when you can actually run from it? What is that? What is it? What is it? She's hiding behind the chair. What is it? Oh, you scared? What is it? Look, it's not gonna hurt you. Whoa. Why are you trying to... Gooey! You evil little thing. You waiting for trick-or-treaters? Ah, we have candy. Oh. What? You helping? You been helping give out candy? Gucci, you gonna meet Liv? Are you gonna meet Livy? Gonna attempt it. What? 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 You having fun? You seeing trick-or-treaters?
She wants more trick-or-treaters.
Oh my goodness. I found a white monkey. Oh no! Oh, look at you! You trick-or-treating?
Gooey.
Say trick-or-treat.
You gonna help?
Really?
Like a lose your vision.
No, we have food. That's way more important in our
I
life.
was driving.
And they're Halloween, so we thought you should get the Halloween things now.
And one was while I was driving.
diagnosing
So
your
I was
brother.
like driving this smell like this.
Guess you can begin, kid.
And,
It's for the baby.
but like it was just trying to
I got this.
find something else.
The rest is for Mama, but I got this one.
That's what.
Oh,
Because it was on your registry, and that one only had like 5 left in their whole warehouse.
look. Really?
They say like even if
You can't have the cookie. Well, actually, you probably
Trying
can't have
to
the
get
cookie.
She's in the stretcher, so I'm assuming.
That has
She's
pants.
like, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You know me and Peanuts characters.
Your mom's like, I'm gonna find matching
I'm
ones.
like, and we're just like, go ahead. Like, you're gonna fix yourself by making yourself
That's
do
definitely
that.
you
gender
stay
neutral.
like
I want these.
Yeah, they're gender
I know. Then she goes,
I want them too.
I want
So,
these.
you know, I feel you on that.
Yeah.
you know,
Look at
gets
her
back.
cute.
She just starts breathing.
Snoopy's a little
And then she went right
cat.
back to it.
Not Halloween, but it's a holiday. So I threw her in there. It should fit on St. Patrick's Day. And then you know me.
Baby books. You want to see?
She's like, I'm ignoring anything that doesn't involve
Trick or
Plus,
treat.
their medicine.
Okay.
That's correct. Cruise it forward because you've never had it.
Oh, this is one that's got the fun stuff. You feel it.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
you
it's
need
sticky.
What's that one supposed to be?
It's the cauldron.
Oh, the cauldron sticky?
Yeah, it's a green
What's this
sticky
one, though?
mixture.
Oh, this one's just like
Wait,
smooth.
touch it.
Ooh!
Let me see. I can't pronounce it.
It's supposed to be sticky.
There's a touch
Look.
and feel. It's
See, look, your
Lexapro.
cat is soft.
Yeah, the not generic is Lexapro. I'm just gonna zoom into all of Kayla's sassy
Lexapro.
faces at her husband ignoring her. I feel like the parents like
This
the touch
is
and feel
like
books
the
more than the
flat
kids.
one.
See?
Ooh.
I have.
Price of that. Oh.
You're my little pumpkin pie.
You're my special spooky ghost. You're my baby boo.
Ooh, look at this piece of hair. It's been doing this all day. It's like actually ridiculous that it's like on a sharp angle. But alright guys, we still haven't caught the mouse, so I'm down here again just because it's yucky. Let me show you a little bit of what my makeup looked like today. I mean, mind you, I'll throw in some Snapchats now that I took when I first did it. And that's what it looked like when I first did it, so now it looks a little bit more worn, but I'm gonna take it off in a minute anyway. I just wanted to quickly end the vlog, and I don't really feel I need to answer last night's question because last night's question was kind of answered in this video. But yeah, my plans for today were what happened today, and then my question for you guys tonight is a few things. How was your Halloween? What did you dress up as, if you dressed up? Give me your favorite Halloween memory. Like Halloween, not just fall. And yeah. I don't really know what else to say. I know there were some things I said at the beginning of the month that I was gonna do, and craft things I was gonna make, and somewhere I was gonna go, and I know that I didn't, but I'm sorry, work and homework and stuff kind of snuck up on me, and like Joe was working a lot, like he worked 50 hours last week, so I usually have him go with me or have him drive me, so things were just like not going to plan. But I'm so happy that all of you have stuck with me through this long month and that you've all been watching it and enjoying it, and it makes me so happy, and I love all of you. And yeah, it's the end of Vlogtober. I won't be vlogging tomorrow. I will get a new video up for you guys very soon. Please also comment what you'd like to see, because sometimes I just can't think of anything. Yeah. I love you all very much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below the answers to the questions. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post next. And thank you all so much for watching Vlogtober and enjoying this spooky, cozy, fun fall month with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah. Alright. Good night, guys.